have our second annual Oktober TekFest, and we're absolutely thrilled to have this event to welcome our customers. It's an opportunity to connect with them and also demonstrate the products that Molex is bringing to market across all of the divisions.
We're bringing all of our innovative technologies, bringing our customers to actually meet all of our subject matter experts, to really get in and focus on all of our products and get a little bit deeper in terms of the discussions of what they're looking for.
It really helps to be able to look at a part, hold it in your hand, ask somebody questions about it, and it helps spawn ideas.
Partnering with us, they're getting the level of expertise and experience and the capabilities that we provide a higher level of expertise.
It's just very exciting to see how the industry is changing now. We were talking about autonomous vehicles for a very long time, for decades even, but now we're really starting to see it kick into gear.
It's really the future, right? It's really a transformation of what the vehicle is and what the vehicle can be.
I'm excited to hear what the customer's application is. I'm excited to find out where Molex can find the solution to solve whatever problems they have. I'm excited to understand where we can add value.
It's helping customers who right now are struggling with ramping up vehicle technology to meet consumer demand, to meet government regulations, and they need help, and we're here to help.